Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to be talking about testimonials. So what is a testimonial? A testimonial is a written or a spoken statement where a customer gives an opinion of your brand, your product, your services, that sort of thing. Usually you see these in the form of, say for example, a video where a customer will talk a little bit about their experience with your company. You can see them sometimes in terms of reviews. It's much better to get somebody to actually submit something as a testimonial because you don't want to upset your customers by putting their reviews up and highlighting them and saying, oh, this is this person, they think about this about the business, because people don't necessarily want to be brought into the spotlight. So when it comes down to it, if you want to get testimonials for your business, it's always best to ask the customers you get on with well. And if you've got good communications with customers, a lot of people will be really happy to give an opinion, and you can give them something in exchange for that. Let's say you run a restaurant, you've got some regulars, you just say, hey, would you like to do a quick testimonial video? We'll give you a free meal. That is really cheap to pay for a really nice opinion that is going to benefit your business. And this goes with shopkeepers as well. It's like, hey, you know, I can give you, I'll give you 50% off your shop or something like that. Yeah, it costs money to get a good testimonial, but you put that out on social media and it's really good. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.